Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the changes to the airplane mode trick in Monopoly Go following the August 2024 update. So I've got some important insights to share. So without further delay, let's get started. So many of you have reached out about the airplane mode hack not working as expected. Some players think it's random now, but it's actually due to the changes in how the game sequence behaves when we adjust certain settings. So let me explain what's going on and how you can adapt. The first thing that I want to recommend you is using a VPN and connecting to the server that is outside of your home country. I find that the locations like Netherlands or Romania works well. So you can use a two devices method in order to see the differences. So when you adjust the multiplier before enabling the airplane mode, it disrupts the expected sequence of dice rolls. That means you will have to start over to get the results that you want. You might notice that it takes more devices to achieve the same outcomes as before. So my tip here is to use a lower multiplier like 20 or 50 to conserve the dices. The update has definitely made it more challenging to land on the valuable spaces. While the airplane mode trick still works, it requires more time and effort due to these sequence changes, so be prepared to adapt your strategy. So I'm curious to hear your experiences. Has the new method been working for you, or are you finding it random? So let me know that in the comment section below. Also stay tuned for upcoming giveaways and events. We have got some exciting planned. So remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Monopoly related content. Thank you so much for watching and good luck out there.